Every time I do my Envisivivarium exhibit, I get asked about my process. We're actually starting about halfway through the process, since I put a lot of time and effort into my research. However, nobody wants to see me reading and watching TV. I start by doing the pencil drawing. I usually sketch them out a few times before I settle on a design. Each figure is a mythological creature, so I try my best to stick to the narratives and descriptions. I mark every figure off on the list that's on my phone, that way I know which figures I've made and which ones I haven't. The figures that are in color, those are ones I've made. The ones that are white, I haven't made yet. I put several figures on each page, so I don't waste paper. Each page can have anywhere between 5 and 40 depending on the size of the paper. I try to have a variety of cultures and add in pop culture references whenever I can. The next step is inking, which is my second favorite step after the research. This step takes a lot of commitment since there's no going back after the ink is down. I use a wide variety of designs, but since it's all black and white, there has to be good balance between the contrasting tones. I've been using the same pen since 2006. They're just a uniball fluid pen, but they're fade proof and waterproof, so they're really useful.
One eternity later.
The next step is cutting them out. This can be a difficult step since my hands do shake quite a bit. Next is wiring the figures. In the installation, the figures stand on shelves with magnets installed, so the wire is mostly steel. However, the larger figures also have aluminum wire to hold some of the weight. The steel is the most necessary wire, though, because it's how they stand safely in space on the shelves. This entire collection of figures took about 2 months to make, so it is an extremely time-consuming process, even though I've cut it down to just a couple minutes here. Thanks for watching. I may make some more in-process videos, question and answer videos in the future, so please keep an eye out for them.